Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this amazing training video I'm showing you the perfect transformation of short nail plate set of gel nails. So I'm going to show you all details how we do it. So I tried to make this video more informative and I have cut this video so you can watch the full process on each nail. As you can see, we have removed the lifted nail. So to do it, we should neatly file the middle, the horizontal line, and accurately remove the lifted piece. You know, we have a lot of clients and a lot of people come to our nail studio to solve their problems. It's a rare situation when the client has the ideal nail plate and ideal nails and comes to our nail studio to do nails. Just because we used to work with hard nails and with difficult situations. When, for example, women have wide nail plate or short nail plate, so we should transform it to make her happy, so woman will never have complexes and other bad mood about the how her nails look. And of course, people after having such results from our work, they're being in love in these nails and never want to remove nails. And even hard worker women, they have not enough money for doing gel nails, but they spend money to have their beautiful nails because they used to have such beautiful flowers on their nails. For some hard workers, we do gel nails for free, like for Luba, who has no money. But in this video, guys, I'm paying more attention of how we should prepare the nail plate for placing the gel product. As you can see, the nail technician is using the diamond control bit. It safely works with the nail plate, never leave any gaps and ring of fires. As you can see, we have removed the gel and we have no problems like that. So some nail masters, they don't remove the pterygia and don't work with the skin perfectly, and that's why a lot of nail masters, they have liftings and clients come back to infill nails, but no one nail left, so they have to work hard and do a nail extension again. And of course, in these situations, clients want to remove nails because they don't stay even 1 week. I suggest you guys to use professional products. For example, 5 years we send products all over the world from our factory, and we produce high quality gel products and send them all over the world. And now, guys, it's available, the new payment method. Now we work with the Stripe payment system. So after making the order on Shape of Nail, if you have made the order on our web store, we give you the bill, the link to pay, and you can pay using your bank card and receive money in seconds. So this is the ideal best payment method, and we ship products from 2 warehouses, from Russian warehouse and from Chinese warehouse, so you can choose any warehouse you like. The shipping takes about 2 weeks in general. So if you are in Australia, for example, it's better to order from Chinese warehouse because the shipping is faster and there are no transit countries between China and Australia. So guys, right now we have no problems with shipping and payment methods. We don't use PayPal anymore. Now we prefer direct payments on the cards. We have account and card in the United States, so you can use your Visa, your MasterCard, American Express bank cards for paying products from shapeofnail.com. Very soon there will be restocked, and there will be sculpting mix gel is available, and drill bits will be available too. But now we have a lot of tools and products for the nail design. If you're afraid to order with the large sums, you can make small order on $10 or $12 to taste our store, to taste products. This is the small amount, there is no risk, and you can try it and test the time, how fast you receive products. If you like this, of course you can make more larger orders. In future I'm going to make the special program for you, so you can pay for the half of the order, and after you receive it you can pay the remaining sum. It will be the best protection for our customers. I mean, you can be worried that you receive products and so after you pay for the remaining part of your order. So guys, let's come back to the nails. As you can see, we're working with the sculpting mix gel. This is one of the best gel products we have ever used, because it's very easy to place on the nail. It's very easy to sculpt. Practically no problems with shaping, because it's very soft product and it's polymerizing very fast. So I suggest you guys to try this product. It will be available on shapeofnail.com very soon, with big containers with the best prices. It's very easy to use any sort of gel brush. No matter what brush you have, you just take the drop from the container and neatly play with it on the nail plate, and after you can place the hand into the LED lamp. The price is very adorable for these gel products and for all products, just because it's profitable to order products from such countries like Russia, for example. For that reasons, the prices on the life and all products are much lower than for the European countries and from United States, just because these products will never cost the same price in other countries, just because the life is more expensive. For example, the small Russian family can live only for $100 the whole month, and have all products, pay for the flat and all things. But it's impossible for the European countries and for Russia and for United States. That's why in Russia it's very the life is it's not so expensive, and also prices on all products is very adorable prices. So the gel products cost small prices, and it's more profitable to order from this country. And if I were in your shoes, guys, I definitely order products in such countries like Russia, just because it's very profitable. Now we're going to apply the chameleon color for these nails. We're experimenting with colors for this nail design, and this Harworker woman, she adores such experiments, so we will place some stickers, we will apply the chameleon color and the French manicure, so it will be something special. About the question how to learn all these techniques in details, I made, guys, the special present for you. You can order the first lesson, the lesson of our online course, only for some dollars. You decide by yourself what price you pay for the first lesson. You just can send the donate to us using the link under the video or this QR code on the screen of this video. When you send some dollars, don't forget to write your email, and you don't need to write anymore, just your email and maybe some words to think about our content, so it will be as a donate. And after that we send you the first lesson of our course. There will be 10 lessons. So after sending some donates, you can order all lessons, and you can watch all this course. This course is fantastic. I assure you, you will be amazed with these fantastic training videos. So it's not only maybe $5 or more dollars to receive the first lesson of this course, and after lesson by lesson we send you other training lessons. So let's come back to our nails again. This is the spring nail design, and we're using the butterflies stickers for these nails. They have amazing lilac color. This will be something special. I think this nail design is beautiful because we have on the streets a lot of beautiful flowers, sakura flowers. After that we're using the clear gel to stick these stickers perfectly. And after we will be using this special extra gloss top coat from shapeofnail.com. So tell me, guys, down in the comments what kind of nails you like more to do. For example, difficult shapes of the nail plate, hands of hard workers. I mean, do you like transformations, or you prefer working with the ideal fingers, ideal hands, ideal nails? For example, we can divide all nail masters on some categories. One category, they prefer working with the ideal hands, and the other like transformations, like me, like us. We just prefer to bring people happiness, and it's the great pleasure to see their faces when they're happy, to look on their hands. And I know that in our world there are a lot of people with difficult hands, and they always have complexes that's connected with the appearance of their hands and nails. And that's why we have made this nail channel, to solve these problems, to make people happy. So guys, let's now take a look how we have transformed these hands. Nails are looking beautiful, they are suitable for the spring, they will be amazed by a lot of people, her friends, and she thanks for these nail designs. We're all happy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this nail design, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow. Bye.